Fabryczna FLEX is the largest office maintained in Kraków. This modern co-working space is located in the historical Vodka Factory from the 1930s. The total area is 9,500 square meters. This is where history meets modernity. The unique story of this place is aptly reflected in the interior. Materials such as brick, steel and concrete are a perfect reference to the post-factory architecture. Office furniture by Nowy Styl, with its modern shapes, integrate well into the traditional structure, thus creating an attractive space for rent.
Nowy Styl took a comprehensive approach to the task. We did not have to worry about the implementation of the project at any stage.
The Nowy Styl team took care of everything. We are very happy about the final results.
Fabryczna FLEX is one of the largest co-working projects in Poland. 10 levels of modern offices are furnished with solutions that make each employee feel comfortable. Plus, the space is adjusted to various kinds of work.
This project perfectly showcases diverse capabilities of Nowy Styl. Among other things, we have created over 1,200 electrically adjustable complete workstations, about 40 conference rooms of various sizes, 10 kitchen spaces, and 10 lounge and reception areas with soft-sitting furniture. I am confident that working here could be a big pleasure.
Fabryczna FLEX is part of a larger project known as Fabryczna City, which is a unique service and leisure center created by the Interbud Group. In fact, Fabryczna City is an autonomous entity with a variety of business, leisure and accommodation options. Let's make your space together.